Yeah, okay. You still working? Tonight, right now? Did I go out? Yeah, I went out. I went stuck on my clothes. And then I went to bed. Why or what? Did you say something about a cold drink? I don't know. I'm going.
Cups of the rose, bitches in my old phone. I should call one and go home. I've been in this club too long. The woman that I would try is happy with a good guy, but I've been drinking so much that I'ma call her anyway and say, fuck that nigga that you love so bad. I know you still think about the times we had. I say fuck that nigga that you think you found. And since you picked up, I know he's not around.
Are you drunk right now?
I'm just saying.
Mommy, I don't know about you, but I'm feeling 22.
That lately, I'm just saying you could do better.
Babe. Help me.